Hi viewers and subscribers. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's chance to show my works and ideas with you.
Unboxing video of metal remote holder. Come on, let's see what inside this package. Well packed from Amazon. Design looks like a man lifting things in one hand. It's made from high-grade metal, matte black powder-coated iron. Purpose of the design for takes very little space and well organized. Color is silver and red combination. Manufacturer label place understand. It's universal TV remote holder and holds up to 4 remote controls. Useful for avoiding wasting time of looking for your lost or misplaced remotes. Let's check the remote holder placing. Remotes right hand side of metal man loses center point, so like to buy means one thing you kept on your mind balancedly placed on remotes. Center position is slightly weak. Various type designs and number of compartments available in online based on your needs. Keep watching previous videos and give your suggestions to improve posting videos. Until then, see you all.